Welcome to the story of Claudia and my volunteer work that we did with the Pirongia Restoration Society. Okay, sorry if you don't like bugs, but we did go on a bug walk. Then this is the map of all of the trails. We were supposed to do FBF and FBG, but instead of FBG, we wound up doing FBC. The FB stands for Fernbird, which is the name of the, quadrant that we were working in. Epiphytes are plants that grow on other plants. And this specific one used to be called the Widowmaker because when these forests were logged, the action of cutting down the tree would shake them loose and they would fall down and kill the workers. Easy go, boink. Scooshy, scooshy. Unfortunately, we have to go downhill. Okay. Oh, it's taking the high road. Woo! Oh my gosh. That was intense. Okay, that probably wasn't actually that intense. Oh, there's another one. There's D8. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Sorry. All right, this one is looking like it's going to be a bit rough. Yeah.
Where does it? I don't even see where it's supposed to go to.
Across the river.
No.
Do you see it up there too? Yeah. All right. I know, right?
Go down this.
Or an ibex or something. Okay, now I'm just standing in mud. What the heck? Okay, let me walk you through this picture, which, by the way, is my favorite one. So here are the trail markers. Yes, we made it.
Oh, this one's fallen a bit.
Here. Okay, let me walk you through this picture, which, by the way, is my favorite one. So here are the trail markers. The first thing we had to do was go down the hill. Then we had to cross a river. Then we had to climb up about a 75-degree slope. And then we were back on the trail. This plant is the only thing that led to the success of our team. And it supported the weight of all of us individually, pulling ourselves up with our arms. How am I getting notifications while I'm in the middle of a forest about my... Wow, Waikato really wants me to...
Noodles just insane.
It's like, Emma, I'm sorry, I know you're outside right now doing this crazy stuff, but you really need to submit your essay. Okay, this is kind of down. Ooh. My camera just doesn't show how difficult this is. You good?
Okay, though.
Yeah, it's spongy enough. Yeah, it's literally like that one's like a trampoline.
That's my slide mark, I guess.
So just so you know, it's a little slippery here.
I actually felt myself balance.
I know, it's right here. This thing is like...
Yeah, no, it might have looked alarming, but I'm totally okay.
Okay.
Something is spongy.
It sounded alarming because I felt it. Shook
Yeah.
the ground.
No, I think it's just like...
It's just so spongy.
Yeah.
Here, just be...
Which is
Just
crazy.
be there in case.
Yeah. Because back home you hit...
How's it going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can just punch trees. Ready? Stick them up. We're heading back. You want to see my shoes? Your shoes? What,
It's supposed to be a nice tan.
oh my gosh, they're brown. Oh, I'm so happy. I can't wait for Kate.
I'm hungry.